how's your palm line looking? Do you see good amount of people trying to refinance with this current rate? Because I mean, I myself see some people still trying to refinance by year end. It's not the best, but it's better than early of the years or in the last few years. Where are you guys from? Maybe I could start with that. Loan Factory is headquartered in San Jose, and I am at San Jose right now.
Hi, Victoria. This is Syed, your best friend.
I said,
I'm sorry, my camera is not working. Otherwise, I'll fix it this weekend, and then hopefully the next ones you'll be able to see the live pictures too. Yes, I'm excited about this. It's great. I attended the last webinar or the last conference call. I enjoyed my time very much. I did come around and surf some more of your website, but I had a limited access because I'm not enrolled in the system yet. But hopefully, within the next few days, I'll be joining the team. I'm very excited. Good to see you.
Thanks for sharing. We are very excited to have you and everyone here, if possible, as well.
Thank you.
Of course. Anyone have any question for me before Tuan joins? Of course, today he's going to share about us, and he's going to share our system, which is very cool, that we built it by ourselves. We are not using any third-party vendor like Arrive or Landing Pad. So you would like this better. And we do not even charge you a fee for it, which is huge because you will need to pay like 75 to 100 or even more at a different broker. And I think it works better here. And yeah, I think we have an app as well. Everyone is, using like mobile phone and an app now. So that's gonna be good for you and for your clients and for your partner as well. And a lot of like AI and stuff being implemented. Juan himself is a software engineer. He's a really great LO. I don't think he talks about himself enough to everyone, but he has been #1 loan officer in the country. So his mindset and how you can get lots of loans closed, could be very valuable and meaningful to lots of loan officers who want to follow him and want to join Loan Factory. Well, we have a quiet group today. I usually don't have to speak much because a lot of loan officers like to share about their loans, their palm line, and how they know about Loan Factory, at least.
We have like 30 over almost 40 people here.
Yeah.
So yeah, first, sorry that I joined a little bit late. Secondly, I would love for you to speak up, share your thought, share your question. I want this section to be very interactive, fun. We want to chat a lot. I don't want to be the only one that talking. And in this section, I want you really, of course, I want to share with you everything about Loan Factory, right? What is it? What are the benefits that we offer our loan officers? What is it like to work with Loan Factory? If you have, then what should you do? How would you move a loan from A to B, right? But I think more importantly, I want all of you to think about your business. Think about how you can become a better loan officer. How can you have more clients? Compare Loan Factory versus your current company. Find out which one is the better platform for you. Who can help your business more. It's all about you, your business. And it's hard, it's difficult because every one of us have different requirements. we are looking for different things to help our business, right? Every one of us are different. We have different background, different experience, different business model. We target different clients. Some of us go straight to the consumer. Some of us target realtor. Some of us do everything, social media. There's so many different strategy. So it's all depend on individual loan officers. And I really want you all think really hard what can we help you. Compare Loan Factory versus your company. And I really want you to fully understand Loan Factory. Therefore, if you can, please speak up. Don't type your question in the chat box. If you have any question related to what I just talked about, raise your hand. If anything unrelated, please wait to the end, and I will answer every question, all questions. Okay? Thank you, everyone. Just try to make it fun, okay? Make it more interactive. Participate, ask a lot of questions. So now I'm going to share with you my screen. I want to share with you what we have to offer. So Loan Factory. Loan Factory, we are, of course, we are a mortgage broker, right? We all know what is a mortgage broker. But how do you compare a mortgage broker? Some tiny broker who work with 1 or 2 lenders, they are also a broker. But we at Loan Factory, let me share with you. We work with a lot of lenders. We are a true broker. We work with 245 lenders right here. And this is our marketplace. So we all know what is a broker, right? We shop around for our clients, right? We help our client. And as a broker, we have the fiduciary duty to help them, give them the best advice, the best benefit. We work for them, not for us. So how could you help your clients if you work with a small broker that only have 3 lenders? How could you help your client effectively if you don't have the technology? You don't have the tool to help your clients. You cannot shop around for your clients. How can you help your client when the client come to you and ask for a difficult loan, and you tell them that, I'm sorry, I don't do this type of loan. I don't know how to do it. How could you help your realtor when they have a client, a difficult client that need to close a purchase and you cannot help them? So as a good broker, as a good loan officer, you should be able to help every single client who come to you, right? And that is why we build Loan Factory. We build our marketplace. The marketplace have 245 lenders, and you can see that 9 lenders are online right now. And these lenders are live. That means they are waiting to help you. So if you have any question, you can go to our marketplace and pick the lender and talk to them directly. Let's say forward lending, you can click on it, and you can see that there's an AE and the manager. You can click on this to talk to Justin live. And on down here, you can learn everything about the lender, everything. Their policy, their lock policy, their fee, their EPO policy, their niche, their overlay, everything you want to know about the lender is here. So this is the marketplace that we build to help our loan officer. And for you, of course, it's going to help you. We need to help our clients, right? And in here, you can see that we have 2 channels, correspondent and wholesale. If you select correspondent, you can see that we have correspondent license in 40 states. Here are the list of the correspondent state. And that means we are a lender. We are a lender. And that's an advantage being a lender, because we don't have to disclose our compensation to the clients. And we can not only that, but we can offer our client a refinance, no point, no cost. So there's a few advantage. And when you join Loan Factory, you can decide, you can send your loan into the wholesale channel or the correspondent channel. It's your choice. And we will have the same pricing, no matter if you send it to the wholesale or correspondent channel. The pricing gonna be the same. We charge you the same as well. Most other broker, they charge you more, or they give you higher price, and that is not good. So at Loan Factory, we strive to do everything to help our loan officer so that you can turn around and help your clients. I'm going to share with you, here's the list of all of the lender in our system, 245 lender. And if you have any lender that not in this list and you really want to work with, we will consider signing up for you. And even the more you dig into it, the more you will like it, because you can filter by the type of loan. Let's say if you have a private loan, you want to give your client a private loan. What happened? Because this. Okay. So you can see that we have 85 lenders that can do private loan. You can see commercial loan. We can do commercial loan for our client. 54 lenders that can do commercial. And we have all kinds of loans. Okay, home equity, DPA, reverse mortgage, chattel, SBA loan, vacant land. For example, chattel, which is mobile home loans. We have 3 lenders. I would say more than 80% of the brokers out there cannot do mobile home loan. 90% of them cannot do commercial loan. And then reverse mortgage. All kinds of loans that we can help our clients. 15 lenders. And let's say if you have a loan that you don't know how to get started, you can email this lender. You can click here and you can type your inquiry, and then the inquiry will be sent out to this lender. You can, and when you send it, the lender will receive and get back to you. And when they respond back, you can see it show up right here. You can see that, this loan officer asking a question today, like 10 minutes ago. This loan officer also asked this like 50 minutes ago, and the lender answered that back. So you can pose a question and the lender will get back to you. Our underwriter can come in here and help you as well. So these are very cool features to help you so that you will never say no to your clients. You will never say no to your realtor. Because if you ever say no to your realtor or your clients, they will never come back to you. Because they receive a no answer from you. You cannot do it. They think that you are weak. You don't know how to do it. You are not specialist. This and that, they don't want to work with you because there's so many other choices out there. So many loan officers out there who are eager to help your clients and your realtors. Hi, Dave. Hello, Dave.
Hello there. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Dave.
I had a quick question about the pricing. When you said it's the same for correspondent and wholesale, I assume you're talking about, I understand the lender pays at 2.5. You're talking about borrower paid versus just the raw rate on the correspondent channel, and then we obviously charge whatever we want from there.
I will go into the detail later soon.
Okay.
But the raw pricing would be the same.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. So let me continue. And if you go to Loan Factory here, you can see here's the list of all loan officer and staff within the company. You can filter you can search by name, by department, by mentor. We have mentor and team in the company and production partner in the company. And so, for example, This is the list of the department within the company. We have a lot of different departments to help you. And you can come here, you can ask a question, you can create a ticket for them. We have a policy and everything in here. You can post a question here. And actually we utilize AI, Notebook LM. You can ask any question here for this loan officer support and they will help you. So those are the departments. We have over 24 departments within the company. We have team. So if you are good enough, you can form a team. And if you need help, if you are brand new, if you need help, if you want to work inside a team, you can join these. You can join these. The team leader. You can join them. And before you join them, you can call them to talk to them. Okay. Or you can create your own team. And you can filter by many different criteria. We similar like that. We have mentor, so you can join a mentor. Most of the time, if you are new, if you are inexperienced, we recommend you to join a mentor. And when you join a mentor, you have to split the commission with them. But I think it's worth it because these mentors will try their best to help you. They will train you so that you can learn to become a better loan officer. And you can see right here, the support specialist, he is live to help you. So if you have any question with our system, with how things work, with any question, you can join and talk to him and he will answer you. However, there are two of them, two support specialists are live right now. We have a loan officer who is also a coach. He is live to talk to you. So if you have any question for this loan officer, he can talk to you and help you. So that, I don't think anywhere in the country have this kind of support. Anything you want, anything you ask, they will help you live. We also have production partner, which is pretty simple. So for example, if you have a loan and the client, you don't speak their language. Let's say the client speaks Spanish or Chinese and you don't speak the language. You can go here and find whoever speaks that language and reach out to him and ask him to help you. And both of you can help the clients and both of you will get paid. And of course, you can negotiate with the production partner and decide how much you want to pay the production partner. That way you can help the client. You can keep the client with you and you can make money. I think we have Andrew. Hi, Andrew.
Hey, Tuan. Good to see you again. Regarding the team aspect, is there a specific structure that you have set up? Like, is it like a sales manager with loan officers beneath you, or can you kind of go into how that is structured a little bit, please?
The team is how team work is up to the team leader. So the team leader will decide how he or she want to support or train the team members. And some team is better than the other, of course. In some team, the team leader will go all the way to help you, even generate leads for you. But some other team, they just support you. Depend on the team, right? That's why it's really important to call the team leader and talk to him or her and find out to see if it is the right place for you. Yeah, that's what I recommend. And of course, if you don't like to work inside that team anymore, you can always switch to a different team. And the difference between mentor and team is that as a team, you work closely together for a long time. Mentor is more like a short term because you are so brand new, you don't know much of what's going on. You need someone to help you. And of course, after you close 5 loans, You become experienced, you know how to do things. You don't have to have a mentor anymore. Yeah, thank you, Andrew. Thank you. So again, everything is on the fingertip. You can click on it and talk. We have internal rating of the coach or the sports specialist as well. And we normally have the underwriter here to help you as well. By the way, we have in-house underwriter to help you. Our underwriter can help you with many things. For example, if you have a difficult loans, it's confusing, you need help, you need to clarify with the guidelines, you need help calculate the DTI, they can help you. Or if you have a difficult loan, you're not sure what type of loan you should send a loan to, or what lender can take the loan, you can ask the underwriter and they can help you. So, and everything is completely free. Normally they are here for you to talk to, but you can also create a ticket for them. So we have a ticket system. We have a ticket system right here. You can click on it and create a ticket. And you can create a ticket for any department. So let me go back to the main feature here. This is the website of the company. And it is very good. It's very functional. It helped me help the company get in so many clients. You don't want to have a pretty website because that is not enough. Most people have a pretty website, but the consumer, the clients, they don't care if it's pretty or not. What they want is much more than that. They want to make sure that they want to learn more about you. They want to make sure they work with someone who are good enough, who are an expert. They want to work with someone that gives them the best possible rates. They want to find out a rate that they can get. They want to find out if they qualify or not. They want to find out what is the monthly payment. You know, all the questions like that. We have that for them on our website. They can apply for the loan. They can upload document. So everything they want, we have it for them. And that's why I say it is very functional. It's really good. And more importantly, Loan Factory will build a website for each of you, exactly like this, and more, and more. We are building a website for our loan officer. And if you like any feature, if you go out there, you see anyone have good feature that you want to have on your website, we will consider adding that to your website for you. And everything completely free. Now let's take a look at this website, how good it is, or how bad it is. But you can see right away that on the left side, there's $1,000 best price guarantee. We guarantee to our clients that if we cannot beat any other offer out there, we will pay our client $1,000. And I don't think anyone in the company out there in America offer this kind of program. We challenge our clients to shop around because we are confident that we have the best rate. We're not afraid of losing client. And this is really good because first we impress our client, right? You know, we all know really well that when we advertise or when we run advertisement or when we post something on Facebook or LinkedIn or TikTok, we want to impress people. And there's so many loan officers out there who are trying to impress, who are trying to promote themselves. But think about yourself. If you want to have more business, you need to impress a lot of people, right? You want the whole world know about you, that you are the best loan officer, you can give them the best rate, you have the best technology, You provide the best services. Everything is good about you. Of course, every one of us want to do that, but can you? Most of us are struggling. We don't know what to say. We don't know what to post. We don't know how to impress people out there. And that means you don't know how to grow your business. Nobody's going to come to you because you are just a normal, ordinary loan officer. And the consumer out there, the realtor out there, they want to work with a good loan officer, someone really good, someone who is an expert. So think about this. Imagine you join Loan Factory and you have the tour. You can promote this program. You can tell people that, hey, I have the best rate. I challenge you. Go find any good deal out there and give it to me. I will beat it. If not, I pay you $1,000. Imagine you can say that. You can convince a lot of people and they will try you out. The good thing about this is if you click on terms and conditions, it's very simple. The consumer can upload the loan estimate right here, and we'll tell them if we can beat it or not. If we cannot beat it, the client can close the loan with the same terms and send us the CD. We will pay them $1,000. That's it. And the good thing is, Loan Factory will pay this $1,000, not loan officer. You don't have to pay. You don't have to pay. Company will pay. I will pay. So we help you, right? We help you compete. We help you with marketing. We create things to empower you so that you can go out there and promote yourself, build a brand name. So by the way, this program is only applicable to conventional fixed rate, conventional FHA and VA. We will not honor jumbo loan. We will not honor non-QM loan, and or adjustable rate. We're not honor those. Only fixed rate, conventional FHA and VA. Any question about this program? Okay. Hi, Dave. Yeah, please ask me a lot of questions. Hi, Dave. I cannot hear you. I think you're on mute.
Oh, my bad.
Yes.
I did have it muted. How many $1,000 checks have you written?
Zero.
Zero. Good.
Zero.
I was wondering about the jumbo loans because I know there are some lenders that are very, very, very competitive on those.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So
there's
not
okay. I'm sorry. Let me clarify again. No jumbo. No builder vendor. The builder lender, before lender.
right.
You're
Gotcha.
the builder. You
Okay.
know, we cover the base so that we don't have to lose. Yeah.
Yep. Gotcha.
But we launched this almost 2 years, and so far we haven't lost any money.
Okay.
Yeah. You know, as soon as the consumer fill out this form, we send them an acknowledgement. We follow up with them. We track everything because we know that the regulator might go after us. So that's why we track everything.
Yep.
Who knows that the regulator try to come in here and, you know, try to submit something. And if we don't get back to them, we're in trouble. So we make sure we stay compliant. We have all the record.
Yep.
We make sure that we keep our promise. Yeah.
That was one of my questions as well, as just having done CE, you know, they say you can't say you have the best rate. So
Exactly.
I just wanted to make sure, you know, I'm sure you checked out the compliance on this, obviously.
Yeah. So basically, the reason is you cannot say something that it's not true, right?
Right.
How can you claim you have the best rate? There's so many hundred loan lenders out there and 100,000 loan officers out there. How can you verify or confirm that you have the best rate? There's no way. But remember, this is a program, right? It's a program. The name of the program is $1,000 best price guarantee. It's just a program. We advertise a program and we run the program. We stick to our promise. That's it. We're not breaking any law.
Great.
Yeah. Thank you. Hi, Siet.
Hey, Ron, question regarding the jumbo and builder lender loans. You say we're currently not doing any jumbo loans or builder lenders. So those are, you mean construction loans, correct? The
No,
builder
no, no,
lender.
no, no. We can do any type of loans. It's just that we are not competitive. We
You're not
cannot beat.
comparing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we cannot beat the bank and credit union on jumbo loan.
yeah, that's what I was gonna say because on our 240 plus lenders list, there's a whole lot of them. I saw there's a lot of jumbo lenders and a lot of builder lender loans. So I was kind of confused. But thank you for
Yeah,
clarifying it.
yeah, yeah. And please ask a lot of questions. The problem with most loan officer out there is that we are ignorance. We are not studying our competitor. We don't know what's going on out there. We're not trying to become a better loan officer. We all think that we are good. We are trying our best, but then we don't take action. We don't shop around among brokers, companies, so that we join a better company. We don't try to become a better loan officer. So that's why it's so important to ask a lot of questions. Ask me a lot of questions. Why not? I'm here
Yes.
to answer and help you. So all of you, I do encourage you to ask a lot of questions. So let me move on because there's so much that I will cover today, and you will thank me because I show you so many things. And the bottom line is, of course, we want you to join Loan Factory because we are better. But I think more important is I want you to come up with a way to improve your business. You know, compare whatever going on between Loan Factory and your company. Find out, you know, come up with an action item to help you become better and more successful. Because there's so many clients out there who are buying and refinancing every day. So many. So the question is how you can go out there and capture more business. That is the question. Then you can ask me any question. You can ask me that too. It doesn't have to be about Loan Factory. I have the experience dealing with realtor, dealing with a consumer. I close so many transactions and have so much experience, and I can help you. If any question you can ask me. Hi, Ellie. Hello, Ellie.
Sorry, I was
We
trying to get
still,
myself off of mute.
yeah.
Yes, I do have a quick question. So your most successful loan officers, what are they doing differently to bring in these consumers?
Uh, can I wait until the end and I answer your
Yeah,
question on that?
no problem. Yeah.
Cool. Thank you. Thank you. So let me finish this presentation. So here on the right side, you see we have a pricing engine, right? Again, in order to be successful, you need to show that you are better. You have things that other loan officers don't have. First, you have better pricing, the best pricing. Secondly, you have the best technology. The technology will be on your website. Your client can go in and check the rate. And this pricing engine is way better than Loan Shifter or Lender Price because it's so easy to use. And it's for the consumer, not for loan officer. The way we do business is loan officer need to speak in the same language as the consumer. I see the problem with a lot of loan officer when you talk to the client and they don't understand you, right? Or difficult to understand you. Imagine you speak the language. Imagine all the questions that they have, you can answer within 30 seconds. They love you because simple, easy to work with. You are knowledgeable. You are so good at communication. So that's why we want to train our loan officer to speak in their language. Make everything so easy for them. That way they trust you, they like you, and they love to work with you. So this pricing engine is really easy. You can see within 30 seconds, the client can see the rate. The client can go here and say, oh, I want to borrow this much. Oh, my credit score is only 650, and then they get quote. We have this really cool. we check for their income to see if they qualify or not. Let's say their income is high. They don't qualify for the discount or affordable home ownership program. If their income, let's say in California, their income is $230,000 a year, they will qualify for the LLPA waiver or area median income discount, and they will get the best rate. But let me share with you later on. Let's assume that the income is high, right? You can see that this is the rate that this client will get. And the client will love that because they can make change on the left side, they can on the right side, they see 30-year fixed, they can get 6.375 with no point. And this is what makes the client love you. They see 35 lender, they click on that, they say, oh, Southwest have the best rate. Loan Factory and have the second best rate. So you can see the ranking. Rocket is pretty good. And then if you go down, you see some lender, the client have to pay $2,000, $3,000. And this will surely convince the client and make them so happy to work with you because they know that you are shopping around for them. And they love you because you are so transparent. You don't hide anything. You show all the lender that you work with, all the pricing. They see what they can get. They see that we shop around for them. And they see that if they apply with us, they can get this rate, not down here. They don't have to pay, you know. So they love because we are shopping around for them. We have the technology. We are doing business transparently. We gain their trust, right? Right now, most loan officers have nothing. You don't even have pricing engine. And when you talk to the client, you have a hard time convincing them, make them trust you, because whatever you say is on the phone. There's nothing to show them. And that is not good. Here, you can copy the link right here and send it to them, share with them, and they will love you. So this is our pricing engine. And they can click here, they can click on view fee, apply now, create rate alert, and qualify now. Very powerful. And let me share with you why I say our Loan Factory technology is the best. Because first of all, for this same scenario, most other broker would price the loan somewhere here, where the client have to pay $1,000 to get this rate. For Loan Factory, we shop around 35 lender. We give them the best rate. That's the first thing that makes us better. The second that makes us better is, let's say the client say my income is $230,000. They get a great discount, right? Let's check out the rate. And you'll be so surprised that the rate dropped half a point, under 6% now. Before, it's 6.375. And the reason is really simple. If you click here, you can see that the LLPA waiver, 1.5% of the loan amount are waived because their income is considered low, $230,000 a year. The government will help you. You get discount. You get better pricing. And the ironic thing is most loan officers don't even aware of this. Most pricing engine out there don't help you with this. And you don't know, you don't offer the client. And you think about this. Imagine the client shop around and they shop around between you and Loan Factory. We quoted them 5.875 like this. And you quoted them 6.5. Who's gonna win, right? So this is the reason why you can see Loan Factory, they're doing better and better every day. We are helping so many clients. The client keep loving us and keep coming back to us because all of these technology that help loan officer help them. We shop around every single loan, and the client love that. And the brand name is also important. Remember, you right now when you work with a client. It's so difficult because you don't have a brand name as a person, as a loan officer. Not many people know about you, and even your company. Not many people know about your company, right? Most of the broker out there are so small, or even don't have reputation. Loan Factory is so easy, so accessible, and the technology is amazing. And even better, I'm going to show you better and better. So for example, you can click on no income doc. So we have a pricing engine for non-QM loan. I don't think you can find that anywhere out there. So we can run the pricing for our client, and we can see the rate right here. And we shop around among like 13 lenders to find good rate. And you know, non-QM is very tricky. Most non-QM lender, they charge high rate because they know that non-QM lender are not shopping around crazy. Loan officer don't shop around crazy either. So that's why they charge higher rate. Every loan they make 2,000 extra. They have a lot of money for promotion, for marketing. They rather do that. So that's why it's so important to shop around. And we have a pricing engine for non-QM loan. We can change it to investment, and you can get the DSCR loan, and you can check the rate. And you can check the rate, and it is so good, 6.5 or so. So I think we have a few hands up. Jonathan?
Yeah, hi, sir. My name is Janardhan, and thanks for your team actually to walk me through your pricing engine and all. There are a couple of questions I do have.
Yes.
The pricing engine, actually, when we tested, there are only 27 to 30 lenders were there on the pricing engine. Not all 240 were there. Is there any reason why we cannot add all of them into the pricing engine? The reason I asked that question is, one of the lenders that I work is not even shown up in the pricing engine, but at the same time, it is that a lender was actually part of it, your list.
Yeah, so it takes a lot of effort and resources and money to have their pricing on our pricing engine. So that's why we are not able to have everyone on our pricing. Most of the time we focus on conventional FHA, VA, and non-QM loans. We cannot do commercial loan, equity line of credit, or hard money loan at all. So that is the reason why. Yeah, we only have,
Yeah, fair enough though, but that what scenario that we ran was conventional 30-year fixed actually. Okay.
Yes. Like I said, we have like 35 lender here. The other lender we choose not to have it in here because we think that their pricing is not good and it doesn't make sense to put into our system. So like I said earlier, if you think your lender that you work with is good, tell me, I will add it. So if you think their pricing is good, we will add them to our pricing engine.
So who should I send that information? Let's say in case if I chose to join, right? Because
IT.
Okay.
You know, for example, you know, some lender down here, it costs 10,000 extra compared to other lender. Why would we want to have them in our pricing engine? Because nobody gonna send loan to this lender anyway.
That's correct. Fair enough. But this lender was on the top. I even shared my loan shifter, shown it to you also.
Is it European?
No, it's CMG.
CMG right here, CMG Financial.
Okay. At least it was not showing up actually on the demo that your team was giving to me on the other day.
I'm not sure why, but it's show up right here. Yeah, but we can share with you. It's here, right? You can see it right here. And the pricing is pretty good. You can see right here. It's on the top 5. That means it's good.
That's correct. Okay. Anyway, I'll move on. Looks like it is added. Maybe the version that shown to me was incorrect or older one. Yeah, I'll move on to my next question. The processor, I am very used to using actually a processing team that I am. I know that actually I am probably stick to the vendors that you work with, the processing team wise. Is there any way I can bring my own team, actually a processing team, because I'm so used to them?
So by regulation, you have two choices. You have to use our in-house processor, or you have to use a third-party processor. We have to approve them. And third-party processor has to be a company, has to have the license, all of that. If you have those company, we will consider, and you want to use them, we will consider adding them to our system. But again, we are very good. We charge very little, only 500 a month, and we will give you, if you are good, if you're producing, we can give you a dedicated processor for you to work with. That way you can have a team. You will work with one processor only. That way you can communicate, you can work together really well. You can give them instruction to help you. And let me share with you, since you asked that, we're even better than that. If you are a high producer, we will give you more support. We will have an assistant for you. And we charge super low, super cheap, only $150 per close loan, really cheap. And this assistant will help you with everything except unlicensed activity.
Understood.
So this person will do everything for you. They will talk, they will work with your client, with your processor, they will manage your pipelines before and after submitted to the lender. It's very helpful, and our producing loan officer love it.
Understood. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And
And
my last,
imagine you become a good loan officer, that you have your own team within Loan Factory. You have one processor dedicated working for you, one assistant helping you. That way you can focus 100% of your time on marketing and building a relationship with realtor. So that way you can keep growing your business.
no, that makes sense. What do you consider as a good producer actually? Is it number of
Someone-
loans, or is it?
Yeah, someone who can close 3 to 5 loans a month at least consistently.
Okay.
Because the reason is, if you don't close that many loans, that means you still have time, right? And for a good loan officer, you always have to work hard. You always have to stay close to your client, and let the client see that. That's how they appreciate you and love you. So,
Understood.
yeah.
Yeah, one last question, and I'm looking at your corresponding side of the states and the lenders. So what is the roadmap for you to expand that portfolio? Meaning, I think you only have 3 lenders right now in correspondence, and maybe, so I don't remember the number of states. So hope you
That's-
guys have a roadmap.
Yeah. I again went over this earlier here. On the correspondent, we are licensed in 40 states. And we have these lenders, 5 lenders, 5 investors now. Kai Lending, PennyMac, Rocket Pro, New Rest, and Sunwest.
Okay, 5. Okay, I thought 3. Okay, maybe. I think I'm again
And-
seeing the.
And we are planning to become a direct lender too. We are very ambitious. We are a fintech company. We have the technology. We build all of our software ourselves. We don't use any other software out there. So our goal is to become a direct lender, and our lender will be the best. We will have the best turn time, best pricing, best service. We will become better than UWM or Rocket. That's the goal. That
Awesome.
way you can turn around and offer your clients better rate.
Awesome, sir. One
Thank
last
you.
question, actually. I know, see, because we do have, 2,000 plus loan officers. Any of our lenders give extra incentives compared to other brokers?
Yeah, Rocket. And Rocket give a 10 basis point special, better than other brokers out there.
Oh, okay.
Rocket. And they give us a few more incentive, like no EPO.
Got it. That's a good one.
No EPO, and they pull the credit report for us for free. If we send a loan to them, we don't have to pull credit report ourselves. We don't have to pay for it. And PennyMac is very similar. They are considering give us no EPO as well. We are very good at EPO. We rarely have EPO, and that's why our loan officer are not afraid. And even if we have EPO, normally we can try to negotiate with the lender so that we can pay less or we can waive it.
Thank you, sir. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Dave.
Hi, Dave. Thanks for waiting patiently for me to complete. Thanks a lot.
Sure. Hi, Dave.
Hello again. This pricing engine that you went through, that is customer facing. They have that functionality when they get on the website.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And this is based on what pricing? The lender paid, which I understand is 2.5%. Is that correct?
No. This is so you can see that. You can see. Let me share with you. You can see that right here. This is the company website.
Yep.
And we promote our loan officer.
Uh-huh.
So I said, every loan officer will have a website similar like the main website of the company.
Okay.
So on your website, you can have the application. You can take application. Your client can quote rate just like this. And the pricing reflect your compensation. So let's say if you want to make 100 bps on every loan, you can program, you can go in and say, you can go to the setting page of your on your website and say, I want to make 100 bps on every loan.
Okay.
So the consumer, when they see the pricing, they can see, for example, let me share with you. They can see here, lender margin or same thing at broker compensation, 1%. So yes, if you set your compensation higher, then the consumer will see higher rate. And it's up to every loan officer. It's up to you. You can set it 2%, 1.5%, or 0.5 percentage. It's up to you.
But if I wanted to do a brokered loan that's lender paid comp, the company has set that at 2.5. I can't deviate from that on lender paid comp, right?
Yeah. So we all know it's an industry standard, right? With lender pay, we cannot vary it. You cannot change it. You got stuck with it.
Right.
So everyone at the company, we set our lender pay compensation at 2.5%. So as the loan officer, when you have a loan, you have three choices. First, you have to decide you want to send it to wholesale or correspondent. Wholesale, that means we are a broker. Correspondent, that means we are a lender. So you send your loan to the wholesale channel, we are a broker. Then the next question is, you want lender pay or borrower pay? If you choose lender pay, it has to be 2.5%. You cannot change it. No one can change it. That means you make a lot of money, but the client will get higher rate. Or you can submit it, you can switch it to borrower pay. With borrower pay, you can lower your comp. From 2.5, you can lower to 2%, 1.5%, or 1%, or 0.5%. Up to you. And when you lower your compensation, the borrower will get better rate. Most loan officers do this because of competition, right? If you charge too high, you lose the client. Therefore, we have to lower our compensation so that the client will like to work with us. They like our rate. So that is borrower pay compensation on the wholesale channel. Alternatively, and most loan officers love to use our correspondent channel, which we are a lender. And as the lender, we can charge wherever we want. We can charge the client wherever we want. We don't have to disclose to them at all. So that kind of flexibility make a lot of loan officers love it. And a lot of loan officers send their loan into the correspondent channel so that we don't have to disclose our compensation to the borrower, and we can vary our compensation, no problem.
Right. Understood. But I have to decide something on my website on what I'm going to disclose. And
Yes.
I mean, it's not going to matter at that point if I then go correspondent or wholesale, because I've already kind of committed to 1%, 1.5%, 2%, whatever the number is.
Correct. Correct.
And then the borrower is also going to see the lender names on their search.
Good question. Again, our technology is really cool. You can decide all of that.
Okay.
You can decide, I don't want to show the lender name, to disappear.
Okay.
And then you can decide, I only want to work with 3 lenders. Then the pricing engine only have 3 lenders. It's up to you. Or you can say, I hate to work with Rocket. You can remove them from your pricing engine. It's gone. So you have a lot of flexibility. And most people, let's say choose 2% or 1.5%. And then from loan to loan, you can always lower. It depends on the customer, right?
Yep.
Every client require different rate, different competition. So it's up to you to decide. Whenever you have a new loan, you can decide how much you want to make on the loan.
Can I change that per loan amount when I program the rates in? I mean, if I'm if somebody wants 100,000.
That one we cannot. That's one we cannot.
Yeah, I can't do
Because
that.
of
Right.
the compliance.
Yep.
Compliance.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a lot of compliance. However, there's a good thing. There's 2 good things. We have a minimum compensation. So even though you charge 1%, but if the loan amount is only 150K,
Yeah.
then our minimum comp is $2,500.
Okay.
So you step by that. Secondly, if the compensation is too small for some reason, let's say you compete crazy to win the deal, and you end up making only $1,500 on that loan. Loan Factory will split the commission 50-50 with you. We don't keep most of the commission.
Okay.
So let me share with you. So every loan that you close, you have to pay the company $95 a flat fee, and you have to pay $500 processing fee. So add up, it's $1,095.
Yep.
But then in case that the commission is lower than $2,200, then the company will split with you 50-50, so that you don't make so little and the company makes so much.
Okay.
So we split. We help you.
And then on the Loan Factory main website, if someone was to just choose to search rates on the main website for the company and not through a loan officer, they can do that. And what are those rates set at?
1%.
Okay.
But-
So if I'm charging 2 on my website, on my loan officer site, and then they go to the main company site and see 1%, they'd be like, what the heck are you doing? Is that correct?
That's correct. And that is a good question. And that is why we try to not let it happen. And in reality, it rarely happens.
Yeah.
The reason is they don't know about our website.
Uh-huh.
A loan officer like you, for example, like Soon here, if you go, she's one of the top loan officer. She has her own domain name for her website. So you can go to GoDaddy.com,
Okay.
purchase your own
Yeah, but
domain
when-
name.
I'm sorry, but when you redirect, it defaults back to Loan Factory.
We
click
don't
on-
redirect. So
Click-
if we
click
click
her
on
link.
that, yeah. If the client click on it, we go to her website, her domain right here, and the website here. So
Okay.
and we don't redirect all of the link here. We don't redirect to our main website.
Okay,
Even her information will be on the bottom here.
okay.
Her information, her
I
phone
thought
number.
I saw a website redirect to the main URL.
No, we won't do that.
Masking, like URL masking with the main URL before. I
We
apologize.
will not. Yeah. We will not do that.
All right,
yeah.
thank you.
Thank you.
One quick question while I have you real quick. Do you guys allow loan officers to do family loans, like for a parent?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
You can do your family loan.
Okay,
The only thing you cannot do is your own loan.
okay,
And if you do your own loan, you cannot be the loan officer of your own loan.
understood.
And therefore, I will be your loan officer, and the company will charge you only $500 extra. That's it.
Okay, I got you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Steve.
Uh,
Oh, I was Dave Dunn. I don't know if he had.
no, I was not done until when LL jumped in there. I had one more observation. I'm glad to know that we have control over the lenders, because like I see Provident there. Provident is not a lender for every client.
Exactly.
They are extremely sticky, and if you've got any questions, you're not going to want to send a client there. So I'm glad to see that, and I appreciate it. So, all right, that's it for me. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Dave. Hi, Steve.
Hello. Thank you for your time today.
Yes.
Couple questions. In terms of branding for ourselves or our brand or something, can we use ABC Mortgage Advisors powered by Loan Factory or something in that manner? Do you have any kind of solution?
Yeah.
Want our company name to match a real estate broker
Yeah.
name?
So if you want to use another name, you have to ask our marketing to approve you, and we allow that. But you have to show powered by Loan Factory.
Yeah.
So basically, we will not allow to confuse the client, because legally that ABC Mortgage is not a company. Legally, it cannot exist by itself. So we have to show powered by Loan Factory, so that consumer can see that, oh, this name is part of Loan Factory. It's yet part of Loan Factory. It's not a company. It's not a legal entity that can work
Actually,
with
a
the
team
client.
within, team
Yeah.
within.
Exactly. We allow that.
Okay. And then with Rocket being one of your guys' primary lenders, have they addressed at all concerns over, with them not having servicing and them having such a outbound retail division and everything? Do they give any guarantees to you to not go after the clients that you bring into their system, or is that just as much of a risk as anywhere else?
They promise us that they will not touch our client during and after the loan. So as soon as we submit the loan to them, it's off limit. They cannot touch it. They cannot reach out to our client. And even after close the loan, they service the loan, they will not reach out to our client.
That's nice.
Yeah. So we are set.
Yeah. I guess, that's obviously a good protection to have versus not sending stuff to them and having it end up there.
Yeah. Thank you, Steve. Thank you. And there's a lot more that I want to show you. So let me try to finish up the presentation, and I love to chat with you more. There's a lot more that I want to chat with you. So let me try to wrap it up. So the whole technology that I'm going to show you is completely free to you. That means you don't have to pay for any software. Right now, when you work with any broker, any lender out there, you have to pay one way or another. You have to subscribe to all kind of software, right? Landing pad, Arrive, Loan Shifter, all kind of software that you have to pay. At Loan Factory, everything free. We don't charge you monthly fee, no technology fee, no nothing. And the training, we provide a lot of training. We have an academy. Now we have training. As you can see right here, we have training on our marketplace here. You can see, you go to event here.
It says you can write a family loan. Legally, you can do it. Not all companies will let you. He does. If I was writing my own loan, I can't. But like a family member, I can.
Yes, we allow that. I'm sorry. Can you mute? Thank you. Okay, here we have a lot of training here. Weekly sales call where you can learn from each other. We have correspondent training with Rocket. We have all kind of training, marketplace, right, guy. new restaurant in our pickup call. We have a lot of training to help you. And it's all free. Okay. And let's go back to this one. Marketing support is really cool. The marketing support, basically, if you go to our marketing feature here, you will be blown away with everything that we offer you, like Facebook ads. You can run Facebook ads in less than a minute. You can create a Facebook ads. You pick, is it a lead? You want to generate lead or website traffic? And you can pick a template. The template can be in different language. Let's say you want to promote $1,000 Best Buy guarantee. You can pick it. All right. And you can set your daily budget $10. When you want to end it, you give it a name. So this one is the lead source. So when the lead arrive, you know where does it come from. So you can run many ads at the same time, and you can see which one is more effective. You can run A/B testing. You can run 2 ads or 3 ads at the same time with the same budget and find out which one is more effective than the other. You can modify the content of the ads, the image of the ads. You can decide to which state you want to run ads, what language you want to target, and at the right here, you can decide that whenever you have a new lead coming in, it will send you a text message. They send you a text message. So it's really cool. This helps you generate a lot of lead. And the good thing is, right now our loan officer, we run ads and it costs somewhere around $4 to $5 per lead. A lot cheaper than you buy lead. And when you run ads, that help you because so many people will recognize your face, your name, and who knows that they like you and they will come to you. We have Google review. So every loan officer, we can help you create a Google business profile so that you can gather review. And review is so important. So important. When you have, the client nowadays, they shop around crazy. And if they like you, normally they will go on social media or in the internet and look you up. And if they cannot find you, they don't like it. But if they they look you up and they saw you everywhere. You are successful. You have hundreds of 5-star reviews. They will no doubt want to work with you. So it's really important to have Google business profile and start collecting review. Our processor, they are motivated to help you get the review. So one of their KPI is they have to get 5-star review for you, and they get a bonus as well. So what the benefit of working with Loan Factory is your client will love you and give you 5-star review. Loan Factory, we have over 15,000 5-star Google review. You can see right here. And the number going up rapidly because every loan that we do, we know how to process it. We know how to close it quickly and make sure the client love us and give us 5-star review. So when you get a review like this, you can generate the image so that you can post. You can post on it. See, like here, you can click on generate. It generate for you, and then you can open it up. And here's the review. You can post it. Good thing is we are having a huge IT department, software department, and we are working on having AI automatically help you with marketing. So for example, you can go in and schedule what you want to post for the whole month or 2 months ahead. And we will release a very cool feature. So for example, whenever you get a 5-star review, right now you have to go here and generate the image and post it, right? But in about a month, we will have the better software. Our system know when you got 5-star review and will post it automatically for you. So everything will happen automatically for you. Let's say you close the first loan with Loan Factory, we post it for you. If that month you close a lot of transactions, we know that, we post it for you. If you close a loan really fast in 5 days, we know that, we post it for you. So we come up with a lot of great way to generate the content automatically and post on your profile, on your page automatically for you. So we are working on that and we will have that soon. Marketing material. We have thousands of different marketing material for you. So every week we release a lot of different material every week. Let's say this week we have a lot of different material, thousands of it. This week we have a few that we release here. This page is a little slow, and you can click on it and generate your image, and you can post it right here. You can click on it and generate, and your information will be shown on the bottom. You can post a daily rate, like the daily rate right here. You can post it. You can generate a fast clear loan. All of these are the CRM and marketing tool to help you. And we have a lot more to show you. You can also request a customized image. Let's say you have an idea, you want to have your own customized image. You can click here and request it, and then the team can help you for free. Here are the faster clear loans. Close in 5 days. You can generate these, and we can post it. You can post it. Email drip campaign. We have email drip campaign. It's so easy to use. You just turn it on and decide which holiday you want to send out email drip campaign. Or you can drip all your referral realtor. You can do a follow-up campaign on your clients, your lead, your prospect. It's all so easy and fast. You turn it on and you can modify this as well if you want to. You can add more if you want to. We have lead funnel and widget. So lead funnel, you can create a lead funnel in less than 30 seconds. You go to lead funnel here, you can see the existing lead funnel. You can create a new one and you pick a template. You can, if you want to target hit log, you can create a hit log funnel. You give it the domain, give it a source so that you can track it, and that's it. So easy. Subscription and newsletter. You can have your own subscription and newsletters as well. Other feature is academy training, mentorship, loan officer. Okay, let me go back to here. A referral partner. You can track your relationship with your referral partner. You can, create. If you work with the realtor, you can our system will track them. We will know how many you refer to them and they refer to us. And the system will send them a report every month. We have a closing gift. So when we close the loan, we allow the borrower to go in and confirm if they want to receive a closing gift. Right now, we only offer a curtain board, and it costs about almost $46, but it's really nice because yeah, it's really nice. It's optional. Let me see what else. Oh, we have loan products. This These are something we just started on, so we try to improve it. We know that most of us are not a specialist in this type of loan, right? Like, let's say you have a commercial loan right now, most of them don't know what to do. So what we want to do is we will have a portal, a page for you. So you go here, you can see what is it about, and why you should offer that, how to qualify the client for it. Later on, we're gonna add. We have step by step what you can do. We're gonna add the required document in here. We will add the application in here. We have the list of expert in here so that you can ask for more information. So we realize that most of us are not an expert in everything. So that is why we create this loan product page to help you in case you end up having these special type of loan, then you can do it yourself. You don't have to struggle. So we are working on this right now. And some of the loan officer in the company, they are experts. They can help you. And of course, you can negotiate with them and pay them some money too. So what more? We have this digital wallet. We are planning to allow you to put your money into your wallet, the commission money. Let's say instead of get paid $5,000, you can leave $1,000 on your wallet and get paid $4,000. And this $1,000 you can use for other expense like marketing expense, licensing fee, and all that. But again, we are finalizing this. So we will let you know more. Loan Factory IQ. I think all of you heard about HomeBot, right? You heard about My Home IQ. So Loan Factory IQ is the same. We will help you stay in front of your clients all the times so that they will never forget you. So I myself have 24,000 homeowners who will receive the report every month. So some loan officer have 4 houses, so they have 4 reports. And you can click on the report to see everything about their house, their mortgage. They can see the equity in the house. They can refinance, cash out, or they can get an equity line. They can see the mortgage information. They can see if they pay more, how fast they can pay off, and how much they will save. What is their current rate, and they can refinance. If they refinance 20-year or 30-year, what can they get? And if they want to buy another house, how much they can afford. So we have a lot of the report is really useful and helpful. And that's why most homeowners love it. And HomeBot started out first, and then other companies start doing the same thing. They are very expensive. I would say $150 a month or more. At Loan Factory, you can get it for free. We offer this to you. And your information will be on the bottom and top of the report so that the consumer can always see you. We send it to them once a month. And I want to share with you this. I want to share with you the app, the mobile app. So we have a mobile app. We are one of the very few companies in America that have mobile app. And our plan is to have every client obtain mortgage through a mobile app. So our mobile app is fully functional now, and we are pushing for all of our clients to get mortgage through our mobile app. The consumer, you know that really well. Most of them complain that the mortgage process is too complicated. We ask too many documents, and most of the time it's confusing because the client deal with us by phone, by text, by email. It's very confusing. We will require the client to use the mobile app to communicate with us. So our mobile app is really easy to use, and I recommend you to try it out. Go to, search for Loan Factory app, and you can download it and you can play around with it. You can search rate, you can check your status, your loan status, you can communicate with your borrower, you can communicate with your processor, you can do everything on our mobile app. So I recommend you to try it out. You will love it. You don't need a computer anymore. You can travel and you can still work in normally. So let's see what else I have to share with you. I think I share almost everything, and I can take any question that you have for now. Hello, Andy. Hello, Andy. I will come back to you, Andy. Hi, Mark.
Hi, Tuan. How's it going?
Good, good.
Is it okay if I ask a question in regards to the 1099 and W-2 in California?
Yes, please.
So on Monday, you were there at the meeting where we had a Q&A in regards to that that situation. I've made a few phone calls to the NMLS registry, and they told me that, for example, if I do have loans in the pipeline, I would need to still pay for the DFPI, and then later get the DRE, pay the fees. But for example, they told me if I do not have any loans in the pipeline, and they told me that I could just let the DFPI expire, and probably by February, if I get my DRE license, I could just get the pay the fees and just register as a DRE through the NMLS. What is your opinion?
I'm sorry. That is good as long as they don't charge you any late fee. I'm afraid that if you renew or late, they require you to pay a penalty. So you want to check on that.
Oh, okay, sounds good.
Yeah. So basically, at Loan Factory, we decide to change. In California, there are two types of license: DRE endorsed license and DFPI license. So if you are licensed in California, you must have one of the two. If you have the DFPI license, we pay you $10.99, and we pay you only 90% of the commission. But if you have DRE endorsed loan license, we pay you 100% minus a flat fee. So it's up to you to decide. And we also do real estate. We also provide real estate services in California. So if you have a DRE license, you can hang your DRE license with us, and you can do both real estate and mortgage with Loan Factory.
Thank you, Tuan.
Thank you, Mark. Hi, Andy. It look like I have to come back to you. Hi, Steve.
Yeah. So if I'm licensed for real estate in Colorado and Arizona, is it fine to be licensed with separate company in other states? Just only if I got a California real estate license, have to hang that under Loan Factory, or could that even
We
be
don't
separate?
care. We don't care if you have if you have real estate company or real estate license in other state. I'm talking about only in California. If you have a DRE real estate license, you can also get a DRE endorsed loan license.
Okay.
And you can hang that DRE license with Loan Factory. Yeah.
Sounds
If
good.
you are not in California, you can ignore everything.
Okay. And then for other softwares like Mortgage Coach or MBS Highway or different things, do you guys have any enterprise level accounts with any of those things that you don't have built internally?
We believe that you don't need it because we have most of it already for you.
Okay.
So let me share with you what we have. So I told you earlier about our pricing engine, right?
Yeah.
I think our pricing engine and our technology is better than loan MBS highway. The reason is, let's say when you run a refinance quote like this, right? You get the pricing. You can compare a buy down option. Let's say you can quote 6.25 or you can quote 5.875, and you can click here to compare. You know, you can see the break-even point. That is one way, and then you can share that to your client, not anyone. You can share it on the social media. That's one way. A second way is you can compare 30 year with 20 year or 15 years. So you can compare, and you can click here to add it to the compare, and you can click here to compare it. Now you can have 30 year versus 20 year. You can also compare to the current loan. Let's say if they have 27 year, 1 month left, you know, you can enter the rate and you can see the saving. You can see the difference. There's other way to help. You can run this year a conventional loan, right? You can change it to an FHA loan and compare. You know, compare an FHA versus conventional loan. You can do that too. So our system is really cool. You can get an answer within 30 seconds and share that to the client, and they love it because they can see it right away. You send them the link, they click on it, they can play around with your system, your website. And to monitor the mortgage rate, I normally I bookmark mine and I go to the 10-year bond yield. So today rate jumped a lot, 5 basis points a lot. So this is how I track the rate every day. I see the rate move up here. Even though the Fed cut rate on Wednesday, but rate going up. So I read in the news too. You see why rate going up. So MBS highway is overrated. It costs so much money and it's not good. It doesn't have a real-time information, or the data, the information is not customizable for the client. Our system has that. Our system shows the actual rate that the client can get in real time, and you can share that to the client. It's more practical. Yeah, that's what I feel. You don't need to spend money on MBS highway. It's a waste of money. Yeah. Thank you, Steve. Yeah, it's so much money. It's so much money, and most people don't even use it. I have some loan officer telling me that they pay for HomeBot or My Home IQ and they never use it. I mean, most people are like that. They pay and they rarely use it. And for us, we build tool to help you, and it's free, and you can use it. It's very practical. Oh, I forgot to share one really cool thing that I think all of you have to use. And
on the home reports, can you tie in a partner? So like the real estate partner or other partners?
Yes. So you can invite the partner here, referral partner. You can invite them, and they can have an account just like you. They can have their own client, and their client will see you. You know, all the homeowner that you have, you can add a partner here. You can let's say here, you can select who is your partner, and the partner will show up with you. So the realtor can do that, or you can do that. And let me go back here. I want to share with you one thing that I forgot to share, and you will love it. Rate alert. So I have 7,000 active rate alert that stand alone. And the alert that link to a transaction, I have 3,300 active alert. So every day I have over 10,000 rate alert running. So if the rate drop, there would be some client that have target hit, and they will reach out to me. So this is the number one reason I have so many clients, because I monitor the rate for my client and let them know when rate hit their target, and they should refinance.
Can you specify that strike rate based on how you want to
Yes.
structure the loan? If it's a
Yes.
no
Yes.
fee versus the
Yes.
one,
Yes.
a smaller loan amount.
Yes. Yes, and that's why this is one thing I want all of you to do after this webinar. I want you to do this. Go run the pricing, compare my pricing versus your pricing, right? And let's say this is a real client. Actually, I quote this for my client yesterday. And let's say I quote a 30-year fix. I think this is 𝐓𝐇𝐄, and that's why it's so good. If it's conventional, let's say a conventional loan. It is a conventional loan. And if I quote the rate at 6.25, the client say, no, too high. They want 5.875, no point, no cost, right? Then if this happen, I will go here and click on create rate alert. And then the client want 5.875, no closing cost. And we just rate from all.
Well, I think you stopped sharing your screen. You got to share your screen again.
I'm sorry. So let me go back. So let's say I run a pricing for my client. I quote the rate, right? And the client say, if I quote the client at 6.25 right here, right? The client say, oh, I don't like it. My rate is 6.5. The saving is too little. I don't like that. Then you should offer, what if, how about 6%? How about 5.875, no point, no cost? If rate drop and hit 5.875, no point, no cost, would you want to refinance? Of course, most of them say, yes, why not? I pay nothing and I get lower rate. I save money, right? You can even show them this, 6.5 versus 5.875. They can save, they can save $69,000. Why not, right? So I can share with them and persuade them, say, hey, so let me create a rate alert for you. So if rate hit, I create rate alert right here. So the target rate 5.875. The target total cost is 0. And I just rate from all lender. And when rate hit, I will email or text or both email and text you. What is your name? What is your email or phone number? And that's it. You create rate alert and that's it. The alert will be running every day to monitor the rate for you. And I have more than 10,000 rate alerts running every day. And this is why when rate drop, I close so many loans. That's why during the pandemic, I become #1 loan officer in the country. I closed over 6,000 loans that year, 1 year alone. I closed so many loans because everything automatic. The client got notified automatically about the rate. They go in, they fill out application. Oh, I forgot to share you the loan application process. It's very highly automated. You can fill out application manually, or you can have AI fill out for you, or you can invite borrower to fill out. If you click here to fill out, for AI to fill out for you, then all you need to do is upload this document. AI will read information on these documents and fill out the application for you. Okay, and we also have AI. We also have AI calculate DTI for you too. We are working on a feature to have AI submit loan to you, to the lender for you. So we are heavily focused on technology to get the thing done fast and quick and easy for everyone. So those are the reasons why we are successful. And I want you to take advantage of all of this. Technology is changing the world. It's changing our industry. We have to be ahead of everyone else if we want to be successful. Hi, Andy, you still there? Hi, Dave.
Hello. So to start the application, we would still send the link invitation to the borrower, right? Either text or email that to get the ball rolling for them to apply.
Yeah, you don't need a link. What you need is
Or the app. The app.
we build a website for you. There's many
Oh,
ways.
okay.
First
Okay.
of all, you have your own website. Let's say your website can be davenupper.com.
Yep.
Right? Say, hey, go to davenupper.com and fill out application. No more link. The link is so stupid because it's too long. Nobody remember. You have to track it and all that. Right? Here, go to my davenupper.com to fill it out. You build your brand name. People know you. Go to your.com, your name.com. That's the first way. Second way, you can go to the website, log in, and send them the link. Or you can do mobile app. Oh, I forgot to mention about our mobile app. Super cool. You have your own version of mobile app. So basically from your website, the client can download the app and fill out the application. You can invite them too. You can download the app and you can invite the client. They download the app, they fill out the application, they belong to you. They can interact with you, they can obtain the mortgage through an app. So and they belong to you.
Cool.
Yep.
The LOS, is that similar to Arrive? Are you familiar with Arrive? That's what I
Very,
use.
very similar to Arrive.
Okay.
Very
Beautiful.
similar.
Beautiful. And then the newsletter, that's the kind of the monthly home report that you shared, right? That's what the newsletter is that goes out monthly.
No, you can create your own newsletter.
Okay.
You like all of us, we regularly receive newsletter from, let's say, Scotland guy, the MPA, Housing Wide, your newsletter. They keep sending out every week or every month. You can have your own newsletter. You can go to the internet, write an interesting article, something interesting, and write your own content and send out create your own newsletter and send it out.
Okay, so the company does not have a newsletter, but they do have that home report that you send out monthly, correct? That one.
Yeah, the home report is separate, and we send it out for you automatically.
Can I import? I don't know if I can import past clients in order to send that home report out. Probably not, right? Because they're not in the system.
Okay, if the client is in the system, let's say you join Loan Factory, right? The first month you close 10 loans. Those 10 clients will go to the system, will receive the report automatically. So, and then the following month you close 20 loans. That 20 clients will receive the report automatically. And for your past client who are not in the system, you can import them.
Okay, great.
And we have AI to help you import. All you need is the client name, the address, and an email.
Perfect. Awesome. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Our system is better than Loan HomeBot or My Home IQ.
Awesome.
They don't have AI to help you with importing. We have.
Very cool. Very cool. Thank you.
Thank you, Dave. Hi, Claudia. Claudia? Claudia, we cannot hear you. You're on mute. You have to unmute. We still cannot hear you. You have to unmute. Okay, now.
I got the microphone. Hello.
Now, yes, hi.
The application, can that be, is there a place for to click to make it, can I change it to Spanish?
We have Spanish version for your website. You can turn your website, you can have it in Spanish. So let's see. We are working on having Spanish loan application, but for your website, you can choose the language. You can choose the language on your website. Yeah.
And in the other area, in the marketplace where I'm showing the rates to the applicants, is there a place to click where I can change it to Spanish too? In Mozo, where it's showing across like that, all the different rates and how much it would be?
I'm not sure. I think so. Let me see. Let me try it out. I think so. We can have here. You can see that, right? You can select, let's say, Espanol.
Oh, up there in the corner. Okay, okay.
Yeah, and you can run a rate code. But yeah, this one is not in Spanish yet. I'm sorry. Only the main website, not the pricing engine. Yeah.
Okay, so it's the pricing engine. Third question. Is there a way that it shows like a graph or a graph over time?
No, we
No?
don't, but you can see, you can click on the payment here to see the payment amortization.
Okay.
This is the payment amortization of the loan, right? 360 a month. And there's many other things, like you can see the fee. You click on it, you see all the fee showing up for you. And you can also apply now. You can create rate alert. You can see qualify now. So the client can say, my income is 8,000. The system say, yes, your DTI 36%, you qualify. You might qualify.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Let's see. Hi, Steve.
Hey, in the pricing engine, either on the front or back end, can we go in and see like the whole rate stack? So like right now, I normally go in and I'll, for transparency, show the client, you know, whole rate stack from 5% to 8%, and then
Yes.
my 3 comparison options of, hey, here's the 3 I think might make the most sense.
Yes. So let me share with. Yes. So let me share with you. On the main side for the consumer, you can decide how many rate you want to show. Like for my website, I show 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rate. On the back end, like when you log in and you run the pricing, you can see everything. You can see all the possible rate from 4.375 all the way to 8.625% for you, because you're the loan officer.
You can see that per lender, like if you pick one of the products.
Yeah. You can click on it to see 7 lender offer this, 20 lender offer this. So you, at the loan officer, you can see everything. But for the consumer, we don't want to confuse them.
Yeah.
Why would we want to show rate lower than 5.75, right? Most people would never want to pay so much to get lower rate like that.
Yeah.
So that's why, and you can control your website. You can say, I want to show only 4 rate or 5 rate instead of 20 rate. It's too much. And then here is the beauty of it. You can click on that, and not for the consumer, but for you. When you click on it, you can see the rate sheet as well for the day. You click on it, it download the rate sheet, and you can open it.
Okay.
Yep. Let's see. I think I answer everyone. I think someone asked me earlier about, someone asked you earlier that I say I will answer at the end. I forgot about that question. It's about the market or something. Can someone remind me? Is he still here?
No, I don't know who, but I have a question for you.
Yes.
Remember the state that you pay W-2 instead of 1099? Can you get that one?
Yes. Let me go over that. Right. Let me go over that. Let me share the screen, and then I will all go over that. So here, 1099 versus W-2 compensation here. If you're 1099, you get paid 100% minus a flat fee. If you're W-2, we pay 90%. And you can see more detail here. If you are licensed in a W-2 state, you must be W-2 loan officer. And W state are here, the 13 states: California, the FBI, Georgia, Indiana, Massachusetts, Maryland, Missouri, Montana, Nevada, New Jersey, North Carolina, South Carolina, Rhode Island, and Vermont.
Okay. So you show that. Let me ask you, just say I live in Georgia right now, right?
Yes.
And
Yes.
I have to pay W-2, get paid W-2. Let's just
Yes.
say if I appointed to another state, I mean, I get another license, you can help me with
Yes.
that. If I decide to get two mortgage license, example, Florida, okay? So if I
Yes.
were to get Florida or Texas, and even though I live in Georgia, can I use the Texas or Florida license to hang with you and get 1099 instead of W-2?
Yes and no. Yes and no. So let me share with you. Let me share here. A license, add more license. Let me go with English. So the general rule in each state, you can be sponsored by one mortgage company. So in general, each state is a separate country, have different law and regulation. There's some exception. If you are living this state, you can work with multiple companies at the same time. In this state, and Georgia is one of it, you can be sponsored by Loan Factory, but you cannot be sponsored by any other mortgage company who have license in this state. So look like no, you have to work with one mortgage company only, more likely.
Oh, I see. Okay, so but I cannot get dual license and talk with you.
What do you mean dual license?
I mean, can I just? I know I live here. I got one license already. I can go get study and get another license in Texas or whatever.
Yeah,
and then
yeah,
talk with
yeah.
you, so I can
Yeah.
do both state or whatever. But then instead of paying, so if I have client in Georgia, I have to use 1099. You pay me. If I have Texas, you have to pay me 1099 or the
No,
other one
no,
W-2
no,
or no?
no, no. Once you are W-2, you are W-2 everywhere. You cannot be a hybrid W-2 and 1099 at the same time.
Okay. So
Yeah, sorry. That's why one way, if you really want to be 1099, you need to avoid W-2 state. You cannot work or have license in these W-2 state.
so I have to quit Georgia state.
Yes.
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 And use the other license. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Can we be licensed in a 1099 state and partner with an LO that is W-2 in like North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, different things, pay them a split and do business in those states and pay them a small split for the loan to run underneath them?
The answer is no, because RESPA, right? You cannot get paid for referral. You refer someone and get something back, that is RESPA. It's forbidden.
I'm more saying a loan, another loan factory.
Yeah, still,
loan
it's RESPA. You cannot refer and get paid if you don't have a license.
Okay.
So, but you can get license, and refer if you don't want to. Again, most loan officers choose to have license in multiple states.
But
That's the first thing. Yeah.
I thought last time you trained, you say you can work with the platform and work with other people and refer them the loan or even to the factory to get some compensation.
Yeah, yeah.
Even though you don't have license.
Only if you are W-2 loan officer.
Oh, W-2. Okay.
Then if you are W-2 loan officer, you can refer to the company, any loan anywhere. You don't need to have a license, and we will pay you 50% of the commission.
Yeah, that's what I remember. Okay, thank
Yeah.
you. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's the benefit. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Kelly.
Thank you.
Yeah, the regulation is really strict. You know that RESPA, right? Even Zillow has been sued right now when they force their agent to refer client to their home loans division. They've been sued right now. So if you get paid, could be money, could be anything. If you get paid for something, something in value in return for referral, that is RESPA. It's not allowed. So it's very strict. They are very strict. And I mean, we all know that a lot of people are buying house every day out there. And in the last 2 years, mortgage rate are very, a lot of people have high rate, right? And people want to refinance. So I think it's important in this business. If you're good, you can close a lot of loans. You can be very successful. So it's all about you. You should not blame the market. If you are good, you have good product, good technology, good marketing, you know how to promote yourself. You need to know, if you know how to deal with client and realtor, they would love to work with you and they come to you because we have the best rate already. Now it's all about the service, the marketing, right? So try, and then when you work with me, I regularly give out advice. I also advise loan officer in the company. I can help you. And if you want to do anything, I can give you advice. If you need any tool, any technology, we can share with us. And if it's reasonable, if it's good for everyone, we will build that feature for everyone. And it's all free. And you have all kind of support, technology, pricing, product, underwriting, everything. We support you and everything free. I don't think any other company out there have these to help you. So I hope you enjoy the webinar. I hope you learn a lot. And feel free to come back. We do this webinar every week. The goal is to learn what is out there, what good, what you should do, what you should have. And you know, every week I do this and I try to make it more interesting. I try to answer all kind of questions. So if you still have questions, you can ask me now.
So what is the longest and the fastest?
Eddie, you have a question?
Yes. I'm a mortgage broker currently licensed in Louisiana, Georgia, and Mississippi.
Yes.
Now, how can I guess, partner with you guys and also keep my brokerage? Or can I do that?
Yes, that is possible. You can keep the license and the business in those states to your company, to yourself.
Okay.
And then you can expand your business to other states like Texas, Florida, California. So because every state is a separate country, right? So you can keep wherever in your current state and then work with Loan Factory in other states. The good thing is it costs you nothing. We don't charge you anything, right? When you work with us. The only thing I just want to let everyone know, we will roll out a minimum production requirement of at least one transaction per 6 months. So if you don't close any transaction for 6 months, we will have to terminate our relationship. That is a new thing that we will roll it out soon.
That's total, not just in, say, for instance, California. I wouldn't have to do one in California just to maintain the relationship.
Let's say you work, let's say you sign up with Loan Factory in 5 states. We only need you to close one transaction over 6 months.
Okay, within those 5 states.
Yeah.
Okay, now would I have to get my LO license in each state, or how do that work?
Oh, it's super easy to get loan license in other state. To get the loan license in the first state, you have to study 20 hours. You have to pass the exam, right? Very difficult. But to get licensed in additional state, it is super easy and simple. You can go to our page here add more license state, and then you see that these state doesn't require any education. All you need to do is apply and get a license in these states. Yeah, 24 states or so. And then for other states like Arizona, you need to study 4 hours. In California, 2 hours. So you need to study the 2 hours at this website or any other website. We can negotiate. You pay only $15 per hour, really cheap. And then after you finish the 2 hour, you can apply and get a license. That's it. And then we will sponsor you.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. That'll work.
Very easy.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you. So even if you have a broker right now, you can work with Loan Factory. And even if you have a company you work with right now, you still can work with Loan Factory. Remember, you can work with multiple company. In general, you can work with multiple company as long as they are in different state, right? So like if you work with ABC Mortgage right now in Florida, you can work with Loan Factory in California. They allow that. And that's why you can learn more about Loan Factory. Then you can find out if Loan Factory is a better place for you. Hi, Andy. Finally, I think you are back. Andy?
Before Andy, you say that if I work with another company right now, I can still work with the Loan Factory? Or you say
Depend. Your Georgia is a special state that they don't allow that. Right here, you can see here the exception, special state here. If you fall into these 9 states, then you cannot. But in most states, it's okay. And these states even allow you to work with multiple companies in the same states.
Okay, Tran?
Yes.
It's Eddie again. Now, we are currently licensed in Georgia. Is that a problem?
If you license in Georgia,
yes,
then that is a problem. That is a problem.
But the thing is, he already have Georgia, he have Mississippi, he have other two. How come he can do that, but not Loan Factory?
It is Georgia requirement. Georgia said that if you have license and work in Georgia, you cannot work with another company who has license in Georgia. So in your case, Eddie, you work with your company in Georgia, and your company have license in Georgia. Loan Factory also have license in Georgia, so they don't allow that.
Okay, so they don't allow me to work with you, period, in other states either?
Exactly. They don't allow that. But I advise you to call them and ask them that question. I might be wrong, right? Or the law might change. So I strongly recommend to call them, because remember, we are paying them licensing fee. They provide a service to us. You have the right to call them.
Right.
They will answer you.
Right. Okay.
Yep. Thank you, Eddie. Hey, Jonathan. Or Jonathan.
No, he's working for us.
We still cannot hear you.
So let me.
I will come back to you. Hi, Claudia.
I have a question about the licensing. I renewed my 2026 license in Florida. I haven't started yet in this business, but I took the renewal courses for Arizona and Georgia. So do I add them right now before the school, right now in December? Or do I can wait and add them in January?
You haven't got the license yet, right? So
I have the license.
but not in Georgia and Arizona.
No.
So that means you can apply now or you can wait till next year. And the license will be good until end of 2026. So you can do it now or wait, but I don't see any reason why you want to wait. The sooner you have the license, the sooner you can do business and make money.
I was a little confused because when I clicked in the NMLS, I was seeing like a price difference. And then then I clicked somewhere else and it said, do the Florida one first and then add.
Call NMLS and they will guide you step by step. It's all about licensing. It's all about licensing. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Now I can talk now. Actually, looks like.
Yes.
So my question is related to W-2 and 1099 payment. So let's say I have two states with loan factory. One is 1099 state, and the other one is W-2. So you're saying in both states I would get paid only with W-2? Why not actually get 1099 state paid on 1099?
Correct.
W-2 paid and W-2? Is that not possible?
That's not possible. You have to be either 1099 or W-2. You cannot be mixed.
That's a bummer. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's because of that problem. I recommend you to decide whether 1099 or W-2. If you really want to be 1099, you should avoid W-2 state. Otherwise, if you really want to work, let's say in Georgia or North Carolina, then you have to be W-2 because you like that state. You want to do business in that state. And you have no choice anyway. No other company will pay you 1099 in this state.
Understood.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, so it's already 2 hours long, and you can see there's so much information being exchanged. A lot of things going on, and that's why I strongly recommend you to stay up to date, learning what is out there. There's a lot more going on out there, especially to our industry. You know, a lot of AI, a lot of technology have been developed. Consumers are getting more savvy. They shop around a lot more. Company have more technology to help the client. So it's more competitive for sure. And all of us have to keep learning and be better. Otherwise, we will see our production keep dropping and dropping. So we are running a business, and we know that in any business, we have to work hard. We have to improve. Otherwise, our business will drop. So please try to learn and try to be more competitive. Try to learn about your competitor. Try to be better than your competitor. Otherwise, you are not going anywhere. So that is my advice for you. And I hope you enjoy my webinar. I'm looking forward to work with you if you are ready. But if you're not ready, the timing is not good, that's fine. Just focus on you. Focus on growing your production and helping your clients. Whatever it needs, the key is this. Whatever it takes, you must grow your business. You must become successful. That is your goal, and you must accomplish that. It's silly when you run a business, it's not doing well, and you don't take any action. You are happy being failure. That is not acceptable. Right? You need to be successful. If you are failing, you need to take action. You need to do something to change that. And that is my advice for you. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice weekend. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you.